Good morning, students, and good morning, parents. Welcome to Class 5 Mathematics. We are in review program. We have written some topics in the last class. What and all, predecessor and successor, ascending order, descending order, formation of the greatest and the smallest number without repeating the digits. Formation of the greatest and the smallest number with the repeating digits. Fill in the blanks. In each topic, I gave two sum for you to do yourself, isn't it? So now we are going to check your answer. Before going to check your answer, take your class at note first. Roman letter 9. Write the predecessor and successor of each number. The first sum I gave answer. The next two you have to check your answer. Then Roman letter 10. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. We want to arrange the number from small to big. The first one I give answer, and B and C check your answer. Roman letter 11. Arrange the following numbers in descending order from big to small. The first sum I gave answer, and B and C check your answer. And Roman letter 12. Write the smallest and the greatest 7-digit numbers without repeating a digit using the following numbers. The first sum I gave answer, and second one you did yourself, isn't it? Now check your answers with your classwork note, whether you have written correctly or not. If you have made mistakes, you have to change your answer. Roman letter 13. Write the smallest and the greatest 7-digit numbers. You may repeat a digit using the following digits. First one I did. The next one you did yourself. So check your answer. Roman letter 14. Fill in the blanks. A. 1 lakh equal to 1000 hundreds. B. 1 million equal to 10 lakhs. C. 1 crore equal to 10 millions. D. 1000 equal to 100 tens. So we have completed chapter 1, numbers and numeration. Now we are going to write the content part for chapter 2, Roman numerals. So before that, you have to take your classwork note, pen, black stick, pencil and roller. So before starting that, you should draw the margin and write date, everything properly. Let us start to write the chapter 2 in our classwork note. Chapter 2, right in the middle of the page, Roman numerals. Below that, chapter 2, both words write in black in color. Then first point, the Roman used 7 basic symbols to write the numbers. Point 2, the Roman numeral system does not follow the place value system. Point 3, there is no symbol for 0 in this system of numeration. Roman numerals from 1 to 1000 is given here. So everything you should copy in your math classwork note. So put box correctly and write the numbers, everything correctly without making mistakes. Okay, children? Now write rules for writing Roman numerals. The 7 basic symbols are used in different combination involving addition and subtractions to form numbers. Rule 1. Repetition of a symbol means addition. For example, x, the one x is equal to 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10. So totally we have to add all the 10, we get 30. So rule 2. Big then small means you should add the values. If a symbol of a smaller value is placed on the right of a symbol of greater value, then the values of the symbols are added. For example, Cx. C is the bigger value and x is the smaller value. C is equal to 100 and x equal to 10. So, big then following the small. So we should add the two values. So 100 plus 10 is equal to 110. Then rule 3, small then big means subtract. If a symbol of a smaller value is placed on the left of a symbol of greater value, then the values of the symbols are subtracted. For example, XL. The X is the smaller value and L is the bigger value. X indicates 10, L indicates 50. So bigger value, when you are subtracting the two values, first big, then small. So 50 minus 10, you get 40. Then rule 4. If a symbol of smaller value is placed between two symbols of greater values, it is always subtracted from the symbol succeeding it. For example, CXC is equal to 100 plus 100 minus 10. C, first value is a bigger value, second X is the smaller value, and C is a bigger value. So big, small, big. So first C we have written 100. The next smaller value is following. After then bigger value is following. The small following big, you should subtract the two values. So first write the bigger value 100, then write the smaller value 10. So small and big following that, we should subtract the two values. So 90 you will get. So is equal to 100 plus 90, you get 190. Now, Roman 1, I write in Roman numerals. First one, 95. So first we want to expand the numbers. 90 plus 5. So what is the value for 90? XC. Plus what is the value for 5? V. So XCV. Number 2, 467. First we want to expand the number. 400 plus 60 plus 7 is equal to, for 400 CD plus for 60 LX plus for 7 V11. So C D L X V11. So third one, 1256. So expand the number first. 1000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 6. So what is the value for 1000? M plus what is the value for 200? C plus for what is the value for 50? L plus then value for 6 VI. So is equal to MCCLVI. The next two, 4 and 5. Fourth one, 579. You had to expand the number and substitute the Roman numerals. And fifth also 1035. So you had to do yourself. And Roman letter 2, write in Hindu Arabic numerals. The first one, XL I is equal to XL plus I. What is the value for XL? That is a 40. 40 plus I means 3. So 40 plus 3, 43. Number 2, CLXII is equal to C plus LX plus II. So C for 100, LX for 60, and IA for 2. So is equal to 100 plus 60 plus 2 is equal to 162. Third one, MDXXV is equal to M plus D plus XX plus V. M is equal to 1000, D for 500, XX for 20, V for 5. So 1000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 5. If we add all together, we get 1525. Fourth one, CCLXXIX. And fifth one, DCCLX. So last two, some fourth and fifth, you have to do yourself. And Roman letter 3, solve and write the answer in Roman numerals. First one, XLIX minus XXVI is equal to XLIX means 49. So minus xx, so vi is equal to 26. So 49 minus 26, we get 23. Then give the answer in Roman numerals. xx, I. Second one, DCLX plus L is equal to DCLX is equal to 660 plus L for 50. So you have to add it together. We get 710. So DCCX. After completion the classwork, you have to take the snap and send the snap through edistorf.5@gmail.com. Thank you, children. Thank you, parents.